Oh, okay, so we're going to practice reading, and then we're going to look for sight words, and we're going to practice reading. Okay? Alright, so you can go ahead and start right here.
A boy had a pet fly. He named him Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name was. Chapter 1. Fly Guy went with Buzz to play football. Coach said we need one more player for the big game.
Good job.
Buzz said Fly Guy can play. Coach laughed. Flies can't play football. Buzz said Fly Guy, show him what you can do.
Good
Fly
pause
Guy
after that
kicked
comment.
the ball. Fly Guy went out for a pass. Fly Guy tried to tackle Buzz. I was right, said Coach. Flies can't play football, but he can come to the game.
Good job.
Chapter 2. It was the day before the big game. Buzz made a helmet for Fly Guy. They played football. They did jumping jacks. They played a secret play. They made up a touchdown dance. They went to the big game. Coach said a new player joined our team. Fly Guy sat on the bench. The game started. His team scored. Fly Guy cheered. The other team scored. Fly Guy worried. The other team scored a lot.
Do you want to keep reading, or do you want to do your sight words for chapters 1 and 2? Sight words? Okay, so let's go to the first page. So Miss Jessica brought sticky notes, big and little. If you wanted to use these, we can mark the words in the book with sticky notes, and then you can write them down. You want to try that? Or do you want to write on the sticky notes?
What?
Do you want to use these? Or no? Use these, okay. Do you have your pen?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put your book up here. Put your book up here. Good. Let's open it to the first page. So these are your sight words right here. So let's read again. Let's read together and see. Oh, good. Good, okay.
A again.
Oh, good. 2 times?
Yeah. One at the beginning and one back.
Oh, good. Right there. Okay. So we found 2 sight words. So let's write those on the back. So they were A and the. Good job. Good job. All right, now let's go to the next page and see what sight words we see here.
2.
Good job. All right, let's try this page too.
Which one is
Oh yeah, good job.
again? 7. 4.
Is that all the words for these pages?
Yeah.
All right, let's turn the page over and write them down back.
I forget the one.
That's okay, we have this one here. So we can look through here too. Good job. Good age. All right, what was on here, the sight words? coach said, "We need one more player toward the big game." I see a few sight words there. What do you see?
Said.
Yeah, we wrote the. Did we write said yet?
No.
Good job. Good. Okay, did we get all of them? We need one more player for the big game. So all of them?
No, not 4.
Oh, good. You remember the last one. Great job. All right, now let's go to the next page.
Said again.
Good. No, that's okay. There might not be any. Now this page.
You.
Good.
There's 2 of them. I see him, but it's not. It's like a sight word on my word wall.
Oh, it's on your word wall.
Yeah.
You can still circle it if you want to practice it.
Yeah.
That way you're going to know even more when you get to school, huh? Good job. Any new ones? No? Alright, let's move to the next page. Good.
Was. They're right next to each other.
They are. Good job. Okay, before we start chapter 2, let's write our new words down. Okay.
I forget the new word.
That's okay. So we have our first lines, the, to, and a. Let's see if we wrote those things down.
The. 2.
Oh, good. Good job leaving spaces, too. What do you practice with at school? 2 fingers?
In kindergarten, yeah.
Oh, in kindergarten. Okay. T. I just wrote 2. T. There you go. Good job. Okay. Now let's look at the second one. I and you. Do you have both of those in there?
I don't have an eye.
Good. Alright, let's go back up. Let's do the next line. We have was and said.
You already have said down.
Oh, good. And what's on this line?
4.
Good. Do we have 4 written down?
I think. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, and our last line we have?
Is him and with.
Good. Now let's check our.
You already have with. With and then him.
And then him. Good. That's okay. Okay, so before we get to chapter 2, can you read me these sight words that you wrote?
A though was said, for to I, you was him.
Good job. Okay, I'm going to show the camera what you wrote, how great you did. Look at his sight words. Good. Okay, stop the recording.